Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and I'm out at Angeline, the Dream Finders Homes section of the community. We're about to tour the Ellington floor plan. Let's go check it out. The Ellington floor plan is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,550 square feet with a 3-car garage. The home also has a flex room and a game room. All right, welcome to the Ellington. As you enter the first room in the very front of the house, look how large this flex room is. This is set up more as like a home office, but you could set it up however you'd like. And off to this side, you have a formal dining room space here. And what's nice is down this hallway here, this will connect you right to your kitchen. Now let's go check out the main home. So as we enter the Ellington floor plan, open concept connecting your living space with your kitchen, quartz countertops, hood range here. Now what's nice about this builder, Dream Finders Homes, they're the only semi-custom builder here in Angeline. So if you're looking at changing different colors, the cabinets, the backsplash, the quartz, this would be the builder for you. Off your kitchen, you do have a dinette space. So again, in the front of the home, you had a formal dining room. Over here, you do have like a little eat-in space. You can put a dinette table. And then this opens onto a huge covered patio. And this is an extended patio. So again, with this builder, you can do this extension on both sides. We're gonna go check out the owner suite now. Now, what's nice about the Ellington is your owner suite is located downstairs. And you're gonna have dual closets on both sides, a nice tray ceiling, 2 windows bringing in all the natural light. And as you can see, this room's got large furniture and still very spacious. All right, we're gonna go to the ensuite bathroom. Wait until you see this shower. You have a shower head and a seat on both sides. What? And check out how large your vanity is here, dual sinks, and then you do have your own private office. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. Now, off your kitchen, you do have a pantry over here, and then you have plenty of storage space down below. This is under the stairs storage. And then this is what will connect you back to the front of the home and your formal dining room. Let's go check out the upstairs. This is the wrought iron spindles, nice wood. As we get up here, they're calling this a game room. This room's so huge, I would call it more of a bonus room, and you could make this into whatever you want. This could be a secondary living room. You can make this into a movie theater. So upstairs, you're gonna have 4 additional bedrooms. So we're gonna start off with this room off the game room. Good sized bedroom, nice window up front bringing in natural light. Now this is an ensuite, so it does have its own bathroom, and we have a quartz vanity, tub shower combo, and a good sized closet, and it has its own window bringing in more natural light. All right, let's go check out the other bedrooms. All right, so we have 3 more bedrooms. Now this one's gonna be set up as like an arts and crafts room. It does have a closet, a window. This is one of the bedrooms. Good size room. Use it however you want. And we're gonna go to bedroom number 3 upstairs. That's gonna be around this corner. Another good size room. We'll call this the robot room. Check out, we have a triple window up here, bringing in more natural light, and another good size closet. On to the last bedroom up here. Another good size bedroom. They actually have 2 beds in here, and another good size closet. Now these 3 bedrooms on this wing of the house will share this bathroom. Quartz countertops, dual sink, tub shower combo. All right, we're gonna come back out. We're just gonna walk around this big game room slash bonus room one last time. Now, last but not least, we have a laundry room here. And again, this builder, you can customize all this. So you could put in a sink, some cabinetry, pick out your own washer and dryer. So if you're interested in designing your home here at Angeline, I would definitely recommend checking out Dream Finders Homes and the Ellington floor plan, where you could pick and choose your own cabinets, flooring, quartz countertops, extend your patio, and much more. If you're interested in touring this home or the Angeline community, give me a call, 813-600-1717. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.